This is iTweet Magazines. I'm bringing you another review and an unboxing of what we have today is the Logitech K760 wireless solar keyboard, powered by light wherever you go. Keyboard for Mac, iPad, and iPhone. I picked up this thing from online purchasing, powered by the light inside and out. Perfect match for your favorite Apple devices. It is a Bluetooth connectivity. The feel-good type, perfect match for your all Apple favorites. It's a one-button easy switching between Bluetooth devices. Smart Steps, Bright Future, brought to you by Logitech. So let's get right to the business and unboxing this thing. I'm pretty excited about this thing. The reason is it doesn't take any batteries, which makes it an awesome, awesome gadget for me. I do a lot of typing on the go. And this thing is very, very comfortable in typing. I saw the reviews on it, and I saw it in the store display. And I was able to really be impressed. It recharges itself simply by recharging from any lights. Pretty much it's a solar system that recharges. All right, so it comes inside this brown box. And I'm pretty excited about this thing. So it should be good as they promised. My first impression about this, it looks like a Mac keyboard that you would purchase that comes from Apple Store, making it just my favorite. It has the stainless steel from the top and the plastic at the bottom. This is the solar part of it from the top. Let's put this to the side and look what else it comes with. We got a few manual instructions. Getting started manual is helpful in the future. As you can see, it's a very light, you guys, super light. It has the plastic rubbers from the bottom, keeping it protected. It has the Bluetooth connectivity. Once you press that button, it will automatically send and receive, and it will connect. First, you got to turn the thing on. It has an on button to the side, as you can see. It's off right now. I'm turning it on, and it has some juice. Thank God. And as you can see, when you turn it on, it Bluetooth connectivity sign it has on the first F1, 2, and 3 buttons indicating the status of it. If it's flashing, it's not connected. Once it stays solid, it is fully connected. Again, the touch and feel, the weight is amazing. We're going to go ahead and actually take a look at it and how it sits with the get it connected, and boom, there you have it. I'll be able to be on the go, typing quick and doing everything I need. It's a great keyboard. I'm very happy, super excited about. The purchase price was less than $50. Make sure you go online, do some research before you purchase it. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, review, and an unboxing of the Logitech K760 wireless solar keyboard. Please subscribe, hit like, comment, and make sure you like the bottom below. It really helps me out, you guys. Keeping this channel alive for future reviews. And this is one final look as an overall and how it would look. And this is exactly how it will look. Thanks, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.